The following people show us that it doesn't take a team of Stanford graduates at Google to come up with brilliant innovations. Let's start with a new version of the bicycle. Meanwhile, we once again learned that rednecks don't only exist in southern USA. I would actually pay a good amount of money for this next invention. Finally, this is the invention that every Asian driver needs to have. Alright, Amazing Lifers, if you guys come across genius inventions on the web, send it in at my website and contribute to our cause of finding every great video on the internet.